Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting news coming straight from the heart of the tech world. Figure, a California-based company specializing in autonomous humanoid robots, has just signed a commercial agreement with BMW Manufacturing Co, LLC. This is a big deal, folks, because we're talking about deploying these advanced robots in automotive manufacturing environments. So let's dive into what this means. Figure's humanoid robots are designed to handle the tough, unsafe, or downright tedious tasks in the manufacturing process. Imagine robots taking over those repetitive jobs, freeing up human employees to focus on skills and processes that really need a human touch. It's all about boosting production efficiency and safety. Here's a quote from Brett Adcock, the founder and CEO of Figure, that really sums it up. Single-purpose robotics have saturated the commercial market for decades, but the potential of general-purpose robotics is completely untapped. Figure's robots will enable companies to increase productivity, reduce costs, and create a safer and more consistent environment. Now, what's super cool about this agreement is that it's milestone-based. In the first phase, Figure will identify the initial use cases for these robots in BMW's automotive production. Once that's done, they'll start deploying the robots at BMW's manufacturing facility in Spartanburg, South Carolina. That's right, folks. South Carolina is about to get a tech upgrade. But it doesn't stop there. BMW Manufacturing and Figure are also going to explore some advanced technology topics together. We're talking about artificial intelligence, robot control, manufacturing virtualization, and robot integration. This collaboration is set to push the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive industry. Dr. Robert Engelhorn, President and CEO of BMW Manufacturing, had this to say: "The automotive industry, and with it the production of vehicles, is evolving rapidly. BMW Manufacturing is committed to integrating innovative technologies in our production systems to drive our future forward as an industry leader and innovator." The use of general-purpose robot solutions has the potential to make productivity more efficient, to support the growing demands of our consumers, and to enable our team to focus on the transformation ahead of us. Walker S. Walker S is a humanoid robot developed by Tech Robotics, a company known for its advancements in robotics and AI. Here's what sets Walker S apart. Focus on home and office use. Walker S is primarily designed for personal and office environments. It performs tasks like fetching items, opening doors, and interacting with smart home devices. Interactive abilities. Walker S is equipped with advanced interaction capabilities, including facial recognition, voice interaction, and gesture control. It's designed to assist with daily tasks and provide companionship, mobility, and balance. Walker S has a robust bipedal walking system that allows it to navigate complex environments, climb stairs, and maintain balance, making it versatile for various home settings. AI and learning. It utilizes AI to learn from its environment and improve its performance over time. This includes adapting to the habits and preferences of its users. Safety features. Walker S includes several safety mechanisms to operate safely around humans, such as collision detection and avoidance. Figure's humanoid robots. On the other hand, Figure's humanoid robots are designed with a different primary focus: industrial and manufacturing use. Figure's robots are specifically built for industrial environments like automotive manufacturing. They handle tasks that are difficult, unsafe, or tedious for humans. Task automation. These robots are geared towards automating repetitive and physically demanding tasks, enhancing productivity and safety in manufacturing processes. Integration with production systems. Figures robots are integrated with existing manufacturing systems and workflows. They're designed to work alongside human employees, complementing their skills and improving overall efficiency. Advanced robotics for tough environments. The robots are built to withstand the harsh conditions of industrial settings, such as exposure to heavy machinery, extreme temperatures, and prolonged usage. AI and robotics synergy. Like Walker S, Figures robots also leverage AI, but their focus is on optimizing manufacturing processes, predictive maintenance, and improving production quality. Walker S, designed for home and office use, focuses on interaction, assistance, and companionship. Equipped with advanced AI for personal tasks. Figures humanoid robots, designed for industrial and manufacturing environments, focuses on task automation and enhancing production efficiency. Built to withstand tough industrial conditions and integrate with existing production systems. Both robots showcase impressive advancements in AI and robotics, but cater to very different environments and use cases. So there you have it, a partnership that's poised to revolutionize automotive manufacturing, making it safer, more efficient, and ready for the future. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech news. Catch you in the next one.